Hi guys, today I'm at Riverbend Park and there's a river here. That's why it's called Riverbend Park. You can go fishing here and go on boats too. And I brought my dog. So we're gonna start the hike now. I found a weird looking tree that's bent here, and there's an inside here to the other side. I'm pretty sure my dog could fit through there. We're here because I saw this tree and this part of it fell off. And I know a woodpecker has been here because of these little holes in it. And that part of the tree is part of there. And it's starting to decompose and turn into dirt. I found a beehive here. And I think it's dead, and I think it fell from a tree too. And this is the other side of the beehive. My dog is over there with my brother and my mom. There's some spray of orange on the tree because we're on the orange trail. All of these trees over here have moss on them because the sun only comes on this side. But the trees on that side, not a lot of them have moss on this side because the sun shines on here and here, but not on the front of the tree, on this side. Beaver has been here because there's little wood chips, and there's some down here too. And so I found this hole, and I'm wondering if it's a rabbit hole, and I think these leaves are covering the path under there. I lost track of my brother, my mom, and my dog, so I was wondering which way they went to, this way or this way. I'm pretty sure they went this way because of their footprints. Oh, there they are. Finally, we found them. Alright guys, but this is the end of our nature walk. See you later. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a big fat thumbs up.